Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be sharing with you in a step-by-step process on how to promote your gigs or services on Fiverr or any freelancing services out there using cold mailing. I'll be sharing with you everything, including amongst others the templates you have to use, a number of free tools and everything you need today to start in order to get your first few customers. So stay tuned and don't skip around this video because I've reserved for you a special gift. Hi everyone, I'm Peter from Digital Earning Palace, and in today's video I'm so excited to bring you the part 3 of my new Freelancing Pro series. In our previous video, I explained what is meant by freelancing, the best practices available, and how to create your Fiverr gig profile and rank it on search, and a lot more. Today we'll be starting with you the most important thing when it comes to freelancing or any business online, which is called marketing. This is promoting your services. So even if you're a freelancer on maybe Fiverr, freelancer.com, people per hour, Upwork, or you work as a private freelancer, then this video will be of most benefit to you if you want to promote your services using cold mailing. So like I said earlier, that we'll be learning in details how to promote your services, and today in this video, in this mini course, we'll see how powerful cold mailing can be in order to promote your services. So what we'll be covering in a nutshell is simply 1. What is cold mailing? And then we'll go further in seeing how we can collect data, how we can get emails that are targeted to promote our services, how we can freely build a system so we can start sending emails, how to be a professional when it comes to cold mailing. I will also be sharing with you some templates, everything you need to know in order to start promoting your services using cold mailing. This video today is most important, so don't miss any part of this video for any reason. So let's get started together. What is cold mailing? Before we get started, don't forget, if you want to see more videos about freelancing, digital marketing, online businesses, and anything else related, and much more, please like this video, subscribe now to my channel, and turn on the bell notification icon. In this way you get notified when I release an awesome video such as this one. So what is cold mailing? Very quickly, this is simply sending a bunch of emails. For example, sending 50 emails, 100 emails, or 300 emails to specific people who are related to your niche, all in the bid of promoting your services. But you need to be careful. We are not just spamming here. You're just sending emails and bunch of emails to people so you can establish a connection between you, who is a freelancer, and your prospective or potential customer. You will have to talk with people, discussing about your service you provide, and if they are interested, they will get your service. So we are not just getting emails, putting in the links, and start spamming people. No. We are getting to send out cold emails in a bid to establishing a connection between you and your targeted audience. This is what is known as cold mailing. In order to know how to start and also what you need to do, let's see together. The best way to explain this to me, I think, is to go directly with a real example. If you are a freelancer and you want to promote your services, and you are promoting mainly 2 services, for instance, and the first is creating YouTube thumbnails and you optimize YouTube videos for SEO. The first thing you should do is to be able to identify your target audience. You need to identify your prospects, identify your customers. So if your service is about creating YouTube thumbnails or optimizing YouTube videos for SEO, your target audience are YouTubers, just as you have guessed rightly. So what you need to do next after identifying your target audience is to search for this audience and collect data about them. And in this case, YouTubers. So you collect email addresses of YouTubers. Let us assume that you are now the client and here is my YouTube channel. So to get my email, you just go to the About section of my channel. You will see clearly here, view email address, and you will see my email. You will simply copy and then open maybe a notepad, and paste it right here. Also, copy the channel name if you want to personalize the email. Don't worry, I'll talk about this much later. We now have one channel name and one channel email. Using this simple means, you will just collect more channel names and emails. To do this, just head over to YouTube and search for channels. You can search for channels that are small and start building an email list for these channels. One other option is to use Google to collect email addresses. If, for instance, you are providing SEO service, your target audience will be website owners. What you simply do is to open double quotes on Google, type in SEO, close the double quotes, and then open double quotes again and type in gmail.com, then hit on enter. And you will have a list of people's email addresses that are related to SEO. Now simply hit on Ctrl A to select all and Ctrl C to copy all. Head over to HSuperTools, go to email, then text extraction tool. Just paste everything right here and hit on get data. And the tool, HSuperTool, will extract for you all the emails from this page. You can now copy the emails and paste on a different notepad for SEO services. So this is the first step, which is collecting emails from YouTube or from websites. So now that we have the emails, what we need to do next is, how do we send bulk emails? How do we send one email to all of these people in one click? The easiest way to do this is to prepare your email system. You need to set up a cold email system. So you need to send bulk emails with one click to many people at once. I'll tell you very shortly the easiest way to do this for free. I will show you right now. Simply go to your free Gmail account. You are subscribed to my channel, this one you are currently watching this video from, then you already have an email address. So go to your Gmail account, install the Gmail Chrome extension. Gmail, by the way, is a mail merge extension for Gmail. One nice thing about Gmail is that it is free and really simple to use. So for instance, if I click here on compose and I paste all the copied email addresses in the reception section. So we go back to HSuperTools where we extracted the emails from, copy multiple email addresses, and then we paste them here. When you have put in your subject line and your body, you will see that the Gmail button here will appear. You can set up a lot of options. There are a lot of options, a lot of tools available for you to explore. Then you click on the Gmail button to send out your email campaign. This is a perfect description of an email marketing system inside of your Gmail account. This is one of the easiest ways to start if you are a complete beginner. You can test this out using like 50 emails or 100 emails. And one good thing about Gmail is that you can monitor the open rate on the mails you send, click rates, the person who replied, including auto follow-ups function, and a whole lot. This is more like a cold email system, an email system inside of Gmail. That is it for the free plan. Gmail also has a paid plan if you intend to send out more and even more emails with lots of more functions. If you go to gmail.co, as a beginner though, you can start with the free plan. And if you get to have lots of customers and you intend to scale up your business, you can go for the paid plan. As you can see, the paid plan for Gmail has its different amount for the different packages that you want to choose. Like I said, you can use it for free, and then you can send up to 400 emails per day with the free plan. which is not bad for a beginner. Here on my channel, we have the free email marketing course. I recommend that you go watch it so you can understand clearly how email marketing works. I will leave links in the description to this video below. So now that we have built the email system, which is the part 2, we now have the email list and we also have our email system. We are now ready to send and start to promote our services. This is the most important part, since we need to, at this point, write the perfect subject line, the perfect template so as to attract people, so we can communicate with them and in this way get our first few customers. I will share with you these 2 templates so as to make things kind of easy for you: the direct approach and the referral approach. I will not read out the templates line by line so I don't waste much of your time, but the purpose of these templates is to enable you understand the best way to write cold emails as a freelancer. So very quickly, in this template, the first 2 paragraphs builds up a relationship with your prospect or intended customer. You then go ahead and share your service, your other businesses, or your history. Then you simply ask if he is willing to chat with you about your service and how his own service can be improved, and a lot more along such lines. Then you can share a link to your portfolio website. Like I said in the first video in this series on how important it is to have a portfolio. So while this person is reading this email copy and opens your portfolio and gets to see your work, your chances of getting a reply to open a communication with this person is very high. The second template is a referral approach. This template is kind of shorter. This also builds a relationship using the first paragraph, then goes further to asking for feedback from the person who is reading. So you both can connect and then you can provide the service you're rendering and a lot more. I'll leave a link to this template below in the description of this video, so it will enable you to read them and understand them so you can write a cold email template as a freelancer. Do not copy this template word for word. You can just tweak it to suit your own business and service that you are offering. So you may ask me, why did I then share with you 2 different templates? Well, when it comes to email marketing, there is what is called A/B split test. To explain this, if for instance you collect 200 email addresses, you can write one template and use for the first 100 emails, and then you write the second email template and send it to the second 100 emails. This will help you see which one of the templates perform better. This way, you can use it for upcoming campaigns. This process is called A/B split tests. So far, we have understood what cold email is. I told you exactly how to collect emails. Please watch my videos with links in the description below. We also saw together how to send bulk emails, how we can build a free and simple email system to send bulk emails. I showed you some tips and templates. I have links in the description to all of them. Please download the templates, watch the videos, and this will enable you to start promoting your services, your gigs, and other freelancing services using cold emails. So to get new clients or customers, this is the fastest and the best way to start collecting contacts and build new relationships to provide your services. Once your email has been sent, if for instance you sent out like 100 emails or 200 emails, you may get 20 to 30 replies. You then have to communicate with these people, telling them about your services. Tell them how you can be of help to them. Do some price negotiation and a lot more. This way, I'll be really excited if you get your first few customers from your very first email marketing campaign. It is my hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, leave me a comment below. I usually try my very best to keep my videos short, so they are not more than 30 minutes. Also, like this video so it gets to the reach of more people. Also like this video so it gets to the reach of more people. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the alert notification, and I will send you an alert today.